Hey, Abbey Ashley here. If you are looking for customer service jobs that are totally remote, I'm going to show you the absolute best places to find them inside of this video. In fact, I have 20 places that you can be looking for remote customer service jobs. I'm bringing them to you here. Now, if you're wanting to work remotely as a customer service agent, I cannot recommend to you enough starting a virtual assistant business. Virtual assistants is literally the best way to replace your full-time income while working entirely at home, on your own schedule, being your own boss. And if you're really great at customer service, invoicing and doing customer service emails, interacting in somebody's Facebook group, these are all tasks and services that you can offer as a virtual assistant. So I have a totally free training on how to start a virtual assistant business. It's thevirtualsavvy.com/BBO, 60-minute training. Make sure you watch that if you haven't already. It is awesome. Oh, and if you don't know who I am, I'm Abbey Ashley. I'm the founder of The Virtual Savvy, and I teach people how to start virtual assistant businesses. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Click the link to be notified when I release new content. All right, now I'm going to show you 20 amazing places to find remote customer service jobs. You're going to want to sign up for each of these. All right, we're going to go rapid fire through these job sites, and I will note some of these are paid resources, some of these are free. The very last one I show you is my favorite, and it is 100% free to join, and jobs are posted there every single day, so make sure you stick around to the very last one. But we're going to go through these rapid fire. The first one is FlexJobs. So if you go to flexjobs.com, you can actually go down to administrative jobs. You can search even for 100% remote work and look through their job listings. Now, even though it is a paid site, I will note that you can get 14-day full access for $2.95. So you could definitely try it out and see if anything comes of it. If it does, then you might want to invest in one of the other options. The next place is Indeed. Yes, where you may have gone to search for a traditional job before, you can actually go in and you can type in the word remote and then search from there. And this is going to show you actual remote positions. Now, you might want to type in something like virtual assistant or admin, administrative assistant. I'm going to type in the word administrative, and you can see some different positions pop up there as well. And one of the things I love about Indeed is that I actually can apply for it for free once I create an account. Another place to go is Glassdoor. Now I will need to sign in. All right, once I'm logged into Glassdoor, I'm going to go over to jobs, and I can, just like Indeed, I can type in the word remote. And what's really great about that is it's going to take a second, but then it is going to populate with remote jobs. Now it does bring some non-remote jobs too, but I can go through here and I can see that there are some freelance and remote jobs there. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, the next place to go is LinkedIn. If you go to linkedin.com/jobs, once you are signed into your account, you can search under remote, and you can also, just like some of the other sites, type in things like admin, administrative assistant, customer service, just the word assistant here, and they're going to bring up some really great options for you. All right, the next site is We Work Remotely. I'm going to go up to Find Work, and then I'm going to go to this advanced job search. And once I'm there, there's a bunch of different ways you can sort. Now, there are a lot of technical and design type jobs here, but I did notice that if I go over to job categories and I scroll down to all other remote, there are some jobs posted here that are like administrative assistants, freelance writer. And so there are some options here for you on this site. All right, ZipRecruiter is our next one. Now you do need to be signed in. But once I am signed in, I'm going to go up and I'm going to change my location to just remote, all jobs in remote USA. And this is going to show me. And of course, you can always type in more filters like customer service or admin here in the search. All right, next is remote OK. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to type in customer support. And there are jobs occasionally listed here. Again, there's a lot of more kind of tech jobs usually on here, but again, you never know if some of these even older jobs may not have been filled yet, so it is definitely still worth checking out.
All right, the next one is wellfound.com. Now, you do have to type in some clarifiers. I put show me customer support roles that are remote. And once I did that, it did pull up 4,250. Obviously, not all of these are going to be a great fit, but there are a lot of jobs posted on this site that might be worth looking into. All right, the next site is dice.com, traditionally tech jobs, but I went ahead and selected remote, and I'm going to type in customer service and just see what happens here. Customer service representative. There are definitely a few listed here that are remote customer service jobs. All right, themuse.com has a job search section as well. Of course, I went in and I selected remote, flexible, and I could just scan through these, or if I wanted to look at it even further, I could type in customer service, customer care, and some jobs are going to post up there as well.
Have you tried signing up for any of these platforms before? Let me know your experience in the comments below.
Virtual Vocations is another place to look for jobs. I just clicked on the word assistant, and you can see there are a few that are popping up here. One thing about Virtual Vocations is you are going to have to register for an account, but it is free to at least go in and find out all the details about the job. All right, Jobspresso is our next site. Now, it's not going to let me put remote in the location, but I can type in the word remote or the word virtual in the search category, and that is going to bring me up a few different options. Here's a customer success manager. Again, an executive assistant. This one, we have to search a little bit more just because it doesn't let me do that location as a category, but there are some hiding in here if you're willing to search for them. All right, the next site is Hire My Mom. Now, Hire My Mom is a paid service, but I know lots of people who have used this. I am friends with the owner. She really does offer a great service, so it's definitely worth trying out even the 3-day free trial, because when you do, you're going to have access to a good number of jobs that are listed on their job search board. You can search and apply. You can even go and see kind of some of the jobs. There have been, several jobs posted just in the last couple days. And so in order to apply for these jobs, though, you will have to at least sign up for that 3-day free trial. All right, next is Upwork. I used Upwork a ton when I was a new freelancer. There are so many jobs posted on here. I mean, this is one of the biggest job search sites. So much so that you might think, there's a lot of competition, etc. And there are a lot of low paying jobs on here as well, but there are some ways to actually search for jobs that might be a good fit. So I'm going to type in admin. You can type in customer service, whatever you want to type in. And what I'm going to do when I do that, I'm only going to pick expert, or what you could also do is put your minimum hourly. So if my minimum hourly rate is $30 an hour, I could put that in here, and it's going to filter and only show me jobs with those qualifications, which is a really, really nice feature. All right, another very large freelance site is going to be freelancer.com. Again, there are a lot of low paying jobs posted on these sites, but what's nice about it is you can go in and you can actually say, this is my minimum hourly rate or minimum fixed rate. So I'm going to type in 30 and $33 per hour. Personal tech support needed. So there are a few options here. I specifically have virtual assistant checked, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put in customer support. See if that brings up anything else. A little bit. Again, this one is, I have found that there are usually very low paying jobs on the site, but with a little bit of searching, you might be able to find that diamond in the rough. All right, remotewlb.com/jobs. This is a job board, and even though I can't filter by a remote location, I can type in remote. I can also type in customer service, all of those keywords, virtual assistant, and there are definitely some great jobs listed here, and it's a very active site as well, so this is going to be a really great resource for you. All right, here we are at our very next one. This is remotehub.com. And again, I can type freelance if I want to, part-time, contract. I always like clicking remote, so I make sure it is a fully remote job, and I can go and I can look at the jobs that are posted here. I can also put in more keywords if I would like to. All right, remotejobs.com, not a ton always posted here. I clicked on support, and there are a few that were posted in the last 30 days. I could go over to management. There might be some here. Director of e-commerce, product designer. These aren't really, again, kind of depending on if you do have any marketing or finance. There might be some jobs here for you, but definitely come and at least check, since it's free to do so. Come and see if there are any support jobs listed. Remotejobs.io, another great site that has a lot of jobs in it. So I'm going to just go ahead and put in customer, and it's already selected as remote, work from anywhere. It's always good to select too. You can see there are 6,264 results. So this is definitely a great site. And then of course, my very favorite, if you go to the virtualsavvy.com/community, you will find our VA Savvies community. If you're not already in our VA Savvies community, this is a Facebook group where we post jobs for free every single day. Jobs are posted, and so you can actually go to the magnifying glass and just type in job op, and then you can go and select by most recent, and you can see that, within 2 hours, 13 hours, 18 hours, there are jobs posted all the time right here inside of our free group. So make sure you join Virtual Assistant Savvies.
All right, I hope that you have enjoyed this list. Again, starting a virtual assistant business is my absolute top recommendation if you want to do customer service remotely. Guys, our students have gone on to make $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, up to $50,000 per month by starting their own virtual assistant agency. If you have that spirit of entrepreneurship and you really think, man, I could do this, sign up for my free training. I'll link to it again here. We've literally had over 6,000 individuals go through this training to go on and start their own virtual assistant business, and you could be next. Make sure that you set aside some time to watch it. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you today. I hope to see you in the next video.